Hello, Prananda. I'm Claire and I'm one of the tutors from Foundation Skills at Yale. I just want to have a bit of a chat with you today about the course and answer any questions that you've got going forward. Foundation Skills is a subject that we say helps break down barriers to learning. We will work on your personal, social and academic development, and we will enable you to reach full potential and progress to your next level of learning. We'll carry on talking about that a little bit, but for now we've got a video that will explain College Cambria to you a little bit more.
We are Cambria. We were rated excellent by Estin inspectors. We inspire success. We provide learners with work experience which enables them to have the very best employment opportunities. We are the highest performing college in Wales. We lead the way with our world-class facilities. We partner with top universities to bring degrees to your doorstep. We have raised over £500,000 for charity since 2013. We impact positively on the wider communities we serve. We change thousands of lives every year. We can change yours. Your success starts here.
So, foundation skills. We're going to break down your barriers to your learning. It could be that you've got some mental health problems. It could be that for some reason you didn't do very well at school and you didn't get any qualifications. It could be a whole host of different reasons why you haven't been able to learn effectively, but that's what we want to help you to do in foundation skills. So it's a course that will build on and you'll be able to progress on next year then into the subjects that you want to do or into employment or any other areas. So I'm going to go into the question and answer now, and I've got a few questions that have already been sent in, and then we will move on to any questions that you've got while you're watching. So to apply into foundation skills, you need to go online on the college website and look for the courses, and you'll be able to apply through there. The website is www.cambria.ac.uk. The qualification that you'll achieve on foundation skills is the OCR Entry 3 Certificate in Life and Living Skills. We also offer the Duke of Edinburgh Bronze Award and the Prince's Trust Achievement Certificate. On the course, you'll do maths and English. You'll attend basic skills sessions in maths and English, and then you'll complete the essential skills qualification. If you hit the resit criteria for your maths and English, then you'll be able to resit that as well. The course is delivered over 3 days, which is classed as full time, and it will last for a year, for a college year. I've got a question asking what the course involves, and it gives young people the opportunity to break down your barriers to learning, and it allows you to grow and develop personally, socially and academically. It will give you the opportunity to progress on to the next level of learning or future employment once you've completed the course. The core curriculum works on developing confidence, life and employability skills, and we offer that in a creative and welcoming atmosphere. They choose a vocational route that will interest you and undertake weekly practical workshops in that area. The choices that we have at Yale for vocational areas are art, catering, health and social care and childcare, construction trades, crafts, employability, engineering and hair and beauty. And at Norfolk, we offer animal care, horse care, landscaping and land-based studies. We also do enrichment, and within that is where you would complete the Duke of Edinburgh and the Prince's Trust. The enrichment activities will help develop your communication, teamwork and leadership skills, and they will also help build your confidence and overcome anxieties and social barriers. Another question about the support that you'll receive on the programme. And this also ties into the question that Andy's asked, which is about support. You're assigned a pastoral coach when you start on the programme, and they're your go-to person for any support, help and advice. We have ALN support, which is additional learning needs. Everybody sees the additional learning needs tutors, and we make sure that those people are seen straight away, and then anything that they need in place for their learning needs follows them through college. We also have student services, which are a team of brilliant people who are able to offer you support in all sorts of areas. And we make sure that the course is fully supported to meet individual needs and learning differences. We'll work with you to make sure that you're comfortable in education and comfortable in your classroom environment. And we'll make sure that anything's put in place that you need to help you with that. The qualifications that you need to get on the programme. The course is designed for learners who work at entry level. So the course qualification is an entry 3 qualification. Formal qualifications aren't required to get onto the course, but you've got to have a strong desire to learn. You also might need to be able to work from home sometimes and be engaged with doing that. The course is 1 year long, and progression routes after the course could be, once you're supported the whole way through the course with your progression, and we help you with that, it could be that you progress onto a higher level course in the vocational area that you're interested in. It could be that you go on to do traineeships or an apprenticeship programme. You could go into employment, or you could go into a community-based programme. So I'm hoping, Andy, that I've answered your question about feeling nervous. If there's anything that we can do to help you or make you feel less nervous, then we will do that, if it's in our circle of being able to. But I think the thing to remember is that everybody's going to feel quite nervous about coming back to education, and we'll make sure that all the support that you need is in place. Larry's asked a question about being exams on the course. There aren't formal exams like GCSEs on the course. The core curriculum is usually done through coursework. The maths and English, there are assessments, so it's not a full formal exam. It's a smaller thing than that, and there is some coursework as well that you would do for that. So there aren't any formal qualifications in a big exam hall. Are there any other questions that anybody's got? I've had a question about an age limit for the course. There isn't an age limit. Anybody can apply for the course as long as you meet the entry requirements, which is just that you want to learn and get back into education. So I haven't had any more questions through, so I'm going to wrap this up now. You can apply for the course, like I said before, on the website. The website is www.cambria.ac.uk. And you can also email student services if you've got any other questions or you want some more information about courses. You can get hold of them on studentservices@cambria.ac.uk. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in September.